Today is tank cleaning day. It's nasty in here. He has a lot of poop. You gotta yoink that boy, but sometimes he doesn't want it. I got him. And then this usually happens. I start off by putting the tube in the tank. And yeah, you have to suck on it to create a siphon. Make sure you release before dirty salamander water gets in your mouth. Get that vacuum going? Axolotls have a lot of poop, so it's really satisfying when you can watch it all be sucked up. I pour in about 1 capful of citron prime just to stabilize the water. Next, I use the water straight from the hose in the backyard. The only issue with this is that I live in Arizona and the hose water is really hot, so I use all of the ice in my fridge to try to equalize the temperature of the water. Even with all that ice, the water temperature climbs to 75.5 degrees pretty quickly, which is still just a little too hot for axolotls. You can tell that the tank chiller is finally kicking on because cat. Yeah, he likes the heat that it kicks out once it turns on. But it's 70 degrees now, so it's time to put Gary back in. Here he goes. Meow.